In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to block contacts or unwanted emails in your Gmail account. And I'm also going to speak to you about the basic difference between block, mute, and reporting an email or a contact on your Gmail account. So if you're watching my video for today, I'm very much sure you are receiving unwanted emails, or you're receiving emails from people you don't even want to speak to or get mails from. Basically, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to do this the proper way. The first thing is you need to open your Gmail account. Now, you could do this on the desktop version for Gmail, or you could open a browser and get onto the website and do it. Or you could also do this through the application for Gmail. Anything would do, but the procedure is the same. Log into your Gmail account and get to your inbox. This is the screen by default. Once you're here, whatever email address you would want to block, or whichever person you would want to block, you just open that email. Once you're here, you click on the three dots or the menu option. You get a drop down menu, click on block, and then you get a pop-up. Click on block again. So the email account is blocked and this person is completely blocked. They cannot send you emails anymore. Now, you also get an option to move this specific email to spam if you want. You click on move to spam and this email is going to go there. If you want to unblock this person or this email account, get back to the email and you're going to see this option to unblock. Just click on unblock sender, click on unblock, and it is going to get unblocked. And again, this person can start communicating with you through email. So whichever email you want to block, or whichever person is sending you an email you want to block here on Gmail, this is the procedure. Simple and easy, right? There are three things that we mostly get confused with. I need to clear that cloud of confusion for you right now, because we think that reporting an email as spam or muting an email are the same as blocking an email. There is a difference. So when you block an email, like I had shown you earlier, that person is completely going to get blocked. He or she is not going to be able to send you emails anymore. If you mute that email, they're going to be able to send you emails, but you're not going to see it in your inbox. It is going to go to your all mail folder. Basically, you're not going to get a notification about it. It's just going to go to your all mail folder. That's it. And if you report that email as spam, whatever emails are coming in the future from that specific email address is going to go to the spam folder. So again, you're not going to get like a notification about it. So basically, the best thing for you to do if you would want to block a person is to simply go ahead and block that email. That's it. Like how I had shown you in the beginning of the video. Take care, my friend.